Single moms, please come forward. It's time that we have this conversation. Being a single mom, it's kind of difficult taking care of yourself and have to take care of a child 24/7, especially when you're not co parenting, you have that child 24/7, and that's my situation. I have my kid with me 24/7. And when I tell you she give me no space, she gives me no space. But would I trade it for the world? No. I would always appreciate the fact that I am here and the fact that me and my daughter have this bond. Taking care of yourself, it can be something that you do once a month. For me, my monthly, I call it monthly maintenance. My monthly maintenance, that's what I see. So every 2 weeks, I'll wash my hair, shave from top to bottom. I'll shave, I'll do my nails, my eyelash, and just get myself ready, feeling fresh for the next week. Now, these are some of the tips and some of the things that I use. Disclaimer before we get deeper into it and I start showing you guys products. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I'm just talking about stuff that I use and my, monthly maintenance. One of the best advice I ever got from someone is always take care of yourself. And I cannot stress how much, of an importance that is. But before we get into physically taking care of ourselves, we have to take care of ourselves mentally. Now, taking care of yourself mentally, that could be you protecting your peace, protecting your energy, and just sometimes you just need a little breather. You just need some time by yourself to really clear your mind and just relax. Take a deep breath and relax. Sometimes we are in so many debts, we are in so many different type of situations, and it's really draining at times. But being a mom, we have to shake it off and we have to move on with our day-to-day life. So what I would suggest you do is, if you can join a gym, or you can do some yoga, you can take walks in the morning, take walks in the evening, just find some time to spend by yourself. It's really good if you can speak to someone, like if you have someone that you trust that you can vent to, or if you can speak to like a therapist or someone, just to clear your mind, get everything off your chest and be able to, just vent to someone. Another great tip is for you to pray in every single situation, bad or even good situations. You should always pray. Ask God to deliver you from whatever you're going through, and when He have delivered you, you should always be grateful and show gratitude and give Him thanks for bringing you out of that situation. Don't ever forget to pray. It moves mountains. One of the main important things for me to maintain, to help me feel myself, help me feel beautiful, as we might say, is to always have my hair done. And whether that's getting braids, doing a wig, or recently I've been embracing my natural hair. Now, I one of the main things that I do is I use my cream of nature call activator. This keeps my calls, when I'm doing my wash and go, this keeps my calls for an entire week. And sometimes I do co-wash, just to bring back the calls. And another thing that I do is I make sure deep condition my hair every single time I wash. Now, I have been just start using this product, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but cream of nature is my all-time favorite. Very old brand. They have different type, but the pure honey has always been a fave. And I normally get the shampoo, conditioner, everything in the cream of nature, but I decided to go because I'm on a budget. I decided to go a little cheaper. Now um the deep conditioner, I got this from, I think it was the Pong store for like a Pong, and I do use the shampoo and conditioner as well, and these are also 1 pound. So it's not really hard for you to maintain yourself, keep your hair smelling nice, clean, and just have yourself feeling put together. Next thing that I want to touch on is moisturizer, and summertime is approaching, and for the love of God, guys, please get a proper sunscreen because this sun, it is not plain. Take care of your skin. I mean, we're in our 30s, 40s, and our skin is not what it used to be. Get yourself a really good moisturizer with some vitamin E inside of it. Get yourself a really good body lotion and take care of your skin, ladies, because we are at this age where our skin is not like before when we were in our 20s. We used to use anything, do anything to our skin. Now it's different. We can't go a day or even some hours. As soon as I get out of the shower, I have to moisturize my skin because immediately I go dry. My skin start looking white and ashy, and if you want to feel good about yourself, you have to start taking care of your body, moisturize your skin, and get that body oil and glow up your body. Summer is coming. Let's glow up our skin and make sure that we are out here looking nice and juicy. Now, one of my favorite moisturizers that I do not use it every day, but I do love a good Topiclair. And this is a moisturizer that this is the one with cocoa butter inside of it. Now, this is only $3.99. I mean, it's affordable, guys. Let's take care of our body. This also have vitamin E in it. Now, the reason why I like to use this moisturizer is because it give me, not necessarily to say that I am bleaching, but I want to have my skin toned at all time. Have, like one complexion from head to toe. The sun sometimes give you sunburn and all that crazy stuff. So, to keep my skin feeling nice and glowy, and just to give, I don't know, having clear skin give you this type of feeling. I can't explain it, but I love to use a topic like cocoa butter, and that keeps my skin in check. So another thing that you guys have to do is get yourself a good face scrub. Skincare is very important, guys. At this big age, we need to take care of our skin. We need to take care of our skin. We have to scrub our face, exfoliate our face, get a daily moisturizer for our face. And that's another thing I love about that moisturizer, because I can use it on my face as well. But, and this is from the Pound store, it's only £1. Just exfoliate, deep scrub my face twice a week. Yeah. Also, guys, get yourself exfoliating gloves. I forgot to bring one to show you, but I'll insert a picture somewhere for you guys to see. It's always good to exfoliate your skin, get rid of all that dead cells off your body, and just clear your pores and make your skin feeling so smooth and nice. And then you add your oils and your cocoa butter, whatever type of lotion you guys want to use, but always moisturize your skin. Next up is to shave. Now, some of us prefer to wax, or some of us use all different type of shavers. Me personally, the shaver and me, we are not friends. She do me wrong every single time. I do like a good nair, and I've been using this one from the Pound store, and this is only £1. This one is with charcoal inside of it, charcoal extract inside of it, and I use it under my arms, sometimes under my brows, to just to clean up a little my Miss Kitty, my legs. I make sure to nair everything. I nair everything, get all that hair off of me. Makes you feel smooth, and makes you feel elegant and stuff like that. Yeah. So I do nair. If you guys, I mean, this is a budget friendly video, so that's why I'm showing you guys the stuff that I use, and that's only £1. I mean, because something is cheap doesn't mean that it's not good. It gets the work done, and you get good results from it. It's not irritating the skin or doing anything to you, so why not? Next up is my eyelashes. Now this, I normally buy my eyelashes from AliExpress. I do get the cluster lashes, and this lasts me a very long time. Now, if you're someone who wear glasses, you don't like lashes or whatever the case may be, get yourself a good mascara. You have no excuse. That's what I'm wearing now. I'm just wearing mascara. All you need is something to, pull your lashes out and give yourself a nice facelift. Get you some face tint, moisturizer, cover your blemishes, a nice little foundation that you could just rub on, something to just keep yourself upbeat and always looking fresh. Next up is my nails. Now I've been getting a lot of questions about my nails, like persons in my building. Oh, where do you go and get your nails? Sis, I don't go a place to get my nails done. I do purchase nails anywhere I see them. I recently got these from Primark, and the white ones that I'm currently wearing now, those were $1.99, and the pink one that I'm probably gonna put on like in the month or so, these are 99 pence. Guys, is when I tell you that and with these ones, make sure to look for the nails that has 24 in it, so you get 2 usage out of them. And guys, when I tell you, maintaining yourself, it's not that difficult as it seems. You want to look good every day. You want to have yourself feeling put together, especially when you're accustomed doing certain things. But being a mom, we have to prioritize certain things. We wouldn't say, okay, let me go and pay £90 to do my hair, and your kid need a new school shoes. We will prioritize and say, but okay, let me go and get my kid a new shoes. And it's the right thing to do, yes, but still, there's really no excuse in this day and age, 2025. There's no excuse. I mean, it's easy. And for my toes, what I normally do, I basically only wear white or pink on my toes, right? So I went and got these are like £1 each. So get yourself the colors, nail polish that you like. Every time you go to the store, you just pick up one. It's £1. Come on, just pick up a nail polish, a base, a top coat, and that's it. That's it. Polish your toes, sit and let them dry. I mean, sometimes it feels good to go to the salon, get your nail, someone do it for you. But if you can't afford it at that in the present time, do it yourself. Do it yourself, guys. And that's the aim for 2025. For the rest of this year, practice doing things yourself. I remember one of my friends gave me this advice. He said that before his father passed away, he told him, and these are people who had money, and his father told him, don't ever pay for something that you can do yourself. And that always stuck with me. Like, I would never pay someone to do something that I can do myself, unless I really have to, or I want to cheat myself or something. Otherwise than that, I'm just gonna do it myself. The main thing, and this is my last tip for maintaining yourself and looking good every day, and this is something that the younger generation, they don't really do it. That's why us ladies in our 30s look so similar to the younger ones in their 20s. And this is, we take our vitamins. Super important. Ladies in our 30s, our 40s, and 50s, we are taking our supplements every single day. And that is why we look the way that we do. It could be any type of supplements for women, one a day, any type of supplements. You find the supplements that work for you and suit your budget, that will last you for the month. But whatever you do, make sure take your supplements. It helps to nourish your body in ways that sometimes we can't, or we don't have the time to, or we just don't feel like eating certain things. And the vitamins are good substitute to just nourish our body. Guys, another thing that we can do to really elevate our style and keep us feeling good every single day is really elevating our looks, our style, some of the clothes that we wear. Now, I don't know why everyone recently have a problem with shopping on Shein have some really nice pieces. I mean, I'm a Shein girly. And where else? Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. And these sites range from extra small to 5XL. And so we can find reasonable, really stylish, elegant pieces on there. That so guys, we've made it to the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried any of these products before, especially that deep conditioner from Organ Oil. Let me know if you guys have tried it before, and what you think about it in the comment section. Also, let me know what type of vitamins do you guys recommend for me to use in my 30s. I mean, I would like to try different supplements. And yeah, let me know if you guys will be doing any of the tips that I have given you to keep yourself looking good and put together on a budget every single day. Guys, I hope that you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of these tips, these sit down chit chats. I have a lot of topics that I wanna discuss or just have a conversation with you guys. Let me know if you enjoy this video in the comment section as well, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload on Sunday. That would be my weekly vlog.